Well, the main reason I wanted to come and participate in this workshop is so that as a commercial real estate agent, I can better relate to my clients how this will impact them and how to help them better succeed with their businesses.
The game rules are changing, so I need to learn those rules to try to do the best we can. I also have partners in other countries like in Mexico, and we need to know exactly what's going on in order to make the best businesses that we can.
This workshop was extremely important because tariffs obviously are important to anybody that imports and exports. We export all over the world, and we have for decades. So we have a lot of experience, but this is the first time that tariffs have really come into strong play.
We're all feeling a lot of the changes happening in our country. I think especially from an import-export standpoint, tariffs being the key word there. The fact that I can pick up the phone and call one of our partners at the NEC, is invaluable because what it allows me to do then is create resources for our business owners who are here today learning from Roger.